Hello everyone. Today we're talking about an important topic that affects anyone involved in a car accident in Nova Scotia. We'll discuss the minor injury cap and the changes that have occurred in 2022. In Nova Scotia, if you're injured in a car accident due to someone else's negligence, you're entitled to compensation. However, there's a cap that limits the amount of recovery you can receive if your injuries are considered minor. Minor injuries in Nova Scotia are defined as sprains, strains, and specific type of whiplash-associated disorders. However, in certain scenarios, even these injuries can be above the cap. The cap limits general damages awards, which cover pain and suffering. It is important to remember that other types of damages, such as loss of income, cost of care, and loss of valuable services, are not subject to the cap. The minor injury cap regulations were introduced in 2010. With the aim of limiting general damages for minor injuries to a maximum of $7,500. This cap is adjusted annually for inflation based on the Consumer Price Index. As of January 1st, 2022, the minor injury cap had been raised to $9,300, marking a 4.6% increase from the 2021 cap of $8,937. The cap limit that applies to your claim is determined by the year in which you suffered your injury. For instance, if you were injured in a car accident in 2019, your minor injury cap would have been $8,768. Whether your injury is classified as minor can significantly impact the compensation available to you. Insurance companies may argue that your claim falls under the cap limits, potentially limiting your recovery. Therefore, it's crucial to consult with a personal injury lawyer who can challenge the insurance company's interpretation of your injuries. At Wagners, we believe that no injury should be labeled as minor. Even injuries classified as such by treatment providers and insurance companies can have a substantial impact on your life. For example, soft tissue injuries can lead to difficulty in daily activities including lifting children, household chores, and even interrupting sleep. If you have questions or concerns, don't hesitate to speak with a personal injury lawyer to explore your options. If you've been in a car accident, remember that your rights and potential compensation may depend on whether your injuries are considered minor. Consult with a personal injury lawyer to navigate the complex area of law. Your well-being and rights are our top priority.